It is time for dinner. The day is almost done. I sit with my family. We have dinner as one. We sit around the table. We smile and talk together. This family dinner time always feels warm and better. We share food and stories. We talk about our day. I feel calm and happy in a simple, gentle way. This is my family dinner. We eat and talk tonight. This is my family dinner. Everything feels right. This is my family dinner. We laugh and feel so near. I love this family dinner. I feel safe and clear.
The food is on the table. It smells really good. We eat rice and vegetables. Everything tastes good. We eat slowly together. We do not use our phone. We enjoy this quiet times before the night goes on.
I listen to my parents. They ask about my day. I answer simple questions in an easy, honest way. This is my family dinner. We eat and talk tonight. This is my family dinner. Everything feels right. This is my family dinner. We laugh and feel so near. I love this family dinner. I feel safe and clear. We talk about tomorrow and things we want to do. Some stories are funny, some moments feel brand new.
I look around the table. I see familiar faces. This dinner time together is full of gentle places.
Family dinner is special. It helps me slow right down. After a busy, long day, it turns my mood around. We share more than just food. We share our time and care. These simple moments together show love is always there. This is my family dinner. We eat and talk tonight. This is my family dinner. Everything feels right. This is my family dinner. We laugh and feel so near. I love this family dinner. I feel safe and clear. The dinner time is ending. The table is now clean. I help a little after. We work as a team.
I feel calm and thankful for this time we share.
My family dinner time shows how much we care. My family dinner ends, but the warm feeling stays. I smile and feel relaxed at the end of my day.